Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest updates on the hottest vehicles. If you're a fan of classic trucks with modern power, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford F-100, a truck that blends retro styling with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a truck enthusiast or just looking for a reliable daily driver, stick around as we explore everything you need to know about this exciting release. The 2025 Ford F-100 pays homage to the legendary classic but comes packed with modern features. Ford has seamlessly combined vintage aesthetics with contemporary performance, making this truck a standout in today's market. With its rugged yet stylish design, the F-100 is built for both work and play. It maintains the sturdy build quality Ford is known for while integrating advanced technology and comfort features that set it apart from the competition. For 2025, Ford has introduced new color options, updated LED lighting, and an improved chassis for better handling. The biggest upgrade is under the hood, where Ford now offers an all-electric powertrain option alongside the traditional gas-powered models. This means buyers can choose between the nostalgia of a roaring V8 or the silent power of an electric motor, depending on their needs. Pricing for the 2025 Ford F-100 starts at around $45,000 for the base model and can go up to $70,000 for fully loaded versions. The engine choices include a 5.0L V8 producing over 400 horsepower and an all-electric variant with dual motors delivering instant torque. The truck comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission in gas models, while the electric version features a single-speed setup for seamless acceleration. Fuel efficiency has been a key focus, with the V8 expected to deliver around 18 mpg combined. Meanwhile, the electric version boasts a range of approximately 300 miles per charge, making it a strong contender in the EV truck segment. Real-world mpg will vary based on driving conditions, but Ford's smart energy management system ensures optimal performance. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances practicality with luxury. High-quality materials, a spacious interior, and clever storage solutions make the F-100 both comfortable and functional. The seats are supportive for long drives, and higher trims offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The cargo space remains generous, with a durable bed designed to handle tough jobs. When it comes to infotainment and connectivity, Ford has equipped the F-100 with a 12-inch touchscreen running the latest sync system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a premium sound system, multiple USB ports, and an optional Wi-Fi hotspot. Voice commands and an intuitive interface make navigating the system easy, whether you're on the road or at a worksite. Safety is a priority, and the 2025 F-100 includes a suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety tech includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add features like a 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and Ford's hands-free driving system, making highway travel more convenient and secure. The 2025 Ford F-100 is a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation. With its mix of power, efficiency, and advanced technology, it's ready to take on any challenge. Whether you're drawn to the classic styling, the powerful V8, or the eco-friendly electric option, this truck has something for everyone. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new F-100. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.